Hey everyone, welcome to Vik4S Studio. Ever wondered how I create my music videos from scratch? Let me show you the full behind the scenes in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Step 1 is image generation. I start by generating high quality character images and scenes using Leonardo AI. It helps me visualize the vibe and look I want for the music video, whether it's sci-fi, fantasy or cinematic. Step 2 is video creation. Next, I turn those images into motion using Kling AI and Hailu AI. These tools bring still visuals to life with smooth animations and storytelling flow. Step 3 is music composition. For the music, I use Suno AI to experiment with melody ideas and concepts. Then I dive into Logic Pro. That's where the real magic happens. I compose, arrange, edit, and master the final track with pro level sound. Step 4 is video editing. Once the visuals and audio are ready, I use Final Cut Pro or CapCut depending on the project. I sync the clips, add transitions, effects, and mix everything into a final masterpiece. That's it. From image to video to music, all done with the power of AI and creative tools. If you like this workflow and want more tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.